All right, Pip. Harvest day is here.
Good morning, Muffin. Big day today.
Come on, old friend. Let's get these peppers.
Yes! We did it, Pip! Time to harvest!
Careful now, Pip. Don't miss any.
Not quite ripe yet, Pip. Focus on the red ones.
Almost done with this row.
Whew. Hard work, Pip, but it's worth it. Did I hear something? Or am I just tired?
Whoa! What's he doing?
Oh dear!
Serves him right for trying to steal.
Back to work, Pip. These peppers won't pick themselves.
Another successful harvest! Good job, everyone!
Nothing beats a hard day's work with good friends.
Good morning, team! Today's the day!
Almost ready, my trusty harvester.
Next stop, delicious peanuts. Look at these beauties. Almost ready. We'll dig them up, then carefully collect them.
And we're off!
Mro? Whew. Hard work, but it's worth it. Just a moment. Almost there.
get back here.
Let go, those are mine.
Oh, my peanuts.
Wait a minute. Sneaky can't hide from us.
Those are my peanuts, Sneaky. Well, we learned a lesson today, team. But there's always tomorrow. Ah, look, Muffin Ducky. Our crops are growing so well. Time for our morning checkup, Ducky. Let's go this way. Mro?
Oh no! What's this? Is someone down there?
We have to help! This is too deep for just me! Aha! I know what to do! The Big Digger!
This needs a delicate touch. No problem for Max.
All right, here we go. Time to get to work.
Steady, steady. Almost there.
Careful now.
Almost free, little one. Almost free!
Come on, Daisy, you can do it. Just a little further. You're safe. Good girl. Whew. Teamwork, everyone.
Now for some special farm hospitality.
The best kind of treat for a brave little cow.
Beep, beep.
Another day, another life saved on Max's farm.
Always an adventure. See you next time.